Hi guys, I'm Hitesh. And if you are affiliate marketing marketer, actually, if you are tired by doing affiliate marketing, online business, e-commerce, drop shipping, drop servicing, after purchasing too many tools, after trying too much, even if you are not getting result, even if you are not getting any type of the revenue and profit, so this product can be a solution provider, and how this product will become a solution provider. We will discuss each and everything and why this is too much important for you, because just because of this product you can create email list automatically. And I'm not saying you, okay, this is industry average. Okay, if you have 50 emails, so that you can make $50 per month. Okay, $1 per email, $1 per email per month. So if you have thousands emails in your list, so you can create thousands of dollar monthly. So actually it will reduce your work, and it will create some smartness in your work, and that's how you will start making something in form of revenue, in form of profit. So we will discuss each and everything. So this is member access area of this auto commission. This is actually the tool, and this will be solution provider of the problems which I already discussed with you. So this is the product. Now this is after login, this will be member access area. When you click on this, this is a registration for list building app, which I already told you about email marketing and industry average and all like that. So if you click on this, you will see this member access area, and later I will tell you this one also. This is traffic funnel. This is free registration, and what you are going to get inside this, we will discuss each and everything. So these are some features after making this list building app, not making, after registering on this, you will see this appearance. Okay, this dashboard you will see again. So this is live training. Okay, so if you click on this, this is 6 minute training, and this is 1 minute training. You will know each and everything. So just I'm going to discuss each and everything out of this. Later you can decide this is for you or not. Okay, this is going to fit for you or not. Okay, so that if you are already tired after doing too much hard work in all different streams in online industry, so it can be game changer for you. Now this is traffic funnel, solo ad marketplace from 2021, each and everything. Why solo ads? You can register for free. Okay, why solo ads? Because percentage of percentage of getting some results in solo ads is too much high. Okay, generally people use opt-in pages for email marketing, for capturing some new emails, so that according to industry average they will start making some revenue. Okay, so when you click on this, so let's see what will come. So later we will discuss each and every points like this. Okay, not like this, all this. This is traffic funnel. Let me show you what is coming in front of us, so that you can see what you are going to get. Okay, you have to put all these things, you have to sign up, and then you will get this funnel. So I'm doing that. So just for example, I'm just using as a demo, and later we will see never email login. This is traffic funnel, actually not activated yet. Click here to this and all recent activation mail. Okay, no, I'm not going to log in my email ID and all, because we don't have too much time right now. You already know this, all these things. Okay, so this is a traffic funnel. You will know each and everything after entering inside. Now I'm going to, this is get response integration. This is too much easy, pretty cool. Just use some API key, not some API key, single API key to integrate with this. Okay, everything is integrated in this. Okay, let me log in again. No, so this is welcome list building app, and also let's see, we were discussing this happened already. Register to this, integrate. If you just put your API key, it will be integrate. Actually you will get 30 days free trial. for get response. Later you have to pay for that, but instead of this you can use Klaviyo. Okay, so you can easily send 200 to 500 mails for free. Okay, so after doing that type of email marketing, you will see actually what results comes. Okay, you can actually see what is the CTR, what how much clicks you are getting from the inbox of emails. Okay, on clicking on this, you can integrate. See, integration name you can put whatever. Okay, you can put whatever, and you can just put your API key, and later it will be integrated. Now this is affiliate sites, ClickBank and other affiliate links. So actually all things are inside this. Directly you can go for affiliate link directly through this dashboard. It may be Warrior Plus, Zavizu and ClickBank also. Just because of this other affiliate link you can do that. So let me see what is coming. Affiliate link 1 2 3 4. You can just save this, your 4 affiliate link. Right now I don't have. Let me try this one so that we can see. Putting this one, saving. Actually, I didn't do any type of the practice. I'm just opening in front of you, and later I don't know what will happen. I'm just trying this. Okay, I saved this, and this is email marketing. I don't know what will happen after this. I saved this, or this is video, and what I can
Okay,
see.
so one of the things you want to do is you want to set yourself up with some
Maybe this just
affiliate
because of this
links
video on
so you
this
can
click,
have different thank you
some people
pages
may
for your
click by using
landing
any
pages
type.
you
Actually,
create for
this
both
will
the email
work for you. This tool will apply
marketing and the
some methods for
pay-per-click
you
campaigns. So
so that you will get
I'm going to
clicks and all.
go
Landing
over here
pages,
to
manage
affiliate
pages.
pages,
So just
and you
clicking
can put
around
up to 4
landing
different affiliate.
pages. Let's see what will come. Install email marketing pages. Okay. Preview, install. Oh, this is pretty good. Okay, already done for you, things available for you. So building your landing pages and all. So for example, I'm going to preview this one. Make it rain system. So you can make thousands of in online commission today. This is a stop. Okay, let's do it. So if you put your affiliate link there, someone will click on this and you can go ahead directly. They will redirect to the product page and you can make sales. Okay, just because of here you can get some, you can capture some emails, free instant access. Here will be your affiliate link. Okay, so this is preview. Let me see if there is any option to play around with this. Okay, theme URL, ClickBank integration, affiliate link. Good, nice, I loved it. ClickBank integration, select ClickBank integration, affiliate link, select affiliate link. Okay, put your get response integration, whatever name you given before. Theme URL, subdomain name, please enter only your subdomain name, whatever. Okay, like this, and it will look like this. And I'm just installing this. Please sit. Oh, I don't have this one right now. So just actually, if you don't have solution for this, if you don't want to pay after 30 days, just use different email IDs. Okay, just for trying this one. Okay, if you have only 5 email IDs, you can use get response for 5 months, and 5 months are fair enough to make some results and profits. Okay, so you can do that. Okay, this is my suggestion. Okay, later you can do according to you whatever. Okay, now so I'm going to, I'm not okay. I'm sorry for this because I'm not going to do this because I then don't have right now this get response integration. I don't use this. Okay, I have this affiliate link and all these things. And after this, you will see what preview I have shown you before already. Okay, that's how you will make some sales. Okay, this is preview. You can just click and you can see what will come in front of people so that they will get some, they will take some attention on your page, they will give some attention on your page, and then you can make some money. Now this is pay-per-click advertisement. I think this is for Google. Okay, so let me show you this. What is this actually? Actually, I'm taking much time. Why? Because I'm discussing each and every feature. That is why. Okay. Otherwise, I can finish this video easily in 2 minutes. Okay. So this is for install FB and YouTube pages. So let me try this one. Same it is. Okay. So let me see what is, how will it look like as a preview, so that you can imagine your YouTube page and FB page. Email marketing is still the number one method and all this thing. Okay, so this is for capturing email. Okay, the preview I clicked on the page, that was maybe some opt-in page. So you will put your name, you will put your email, and when you watch, when actually not you, your audience will watch the video, you will grab this lead. Okay, and that's how by using email marketing you will make money. Okay, so I'm just closing this one. Okay, you can try this. Okay, you have actually, you need get response API key. That is why I'm not able right now. Okay, now I am broadcast email. This feature is very good. Directly you can do broadcast by using one click. Now ClickBank product, Wire product, Zavizu product. Nice. This is 1, 2, 3. Choose your product, select a swipe. Okay, this is for email marketing, because email swipes you can use there. Now send broadcast. Directly you can send by clicking on one button. You can send your email to the complete list. Doesn't matter how many emails are inside your list. Okay, so this is, I think, okay, this is some products, for example. Okay, for example, I'm clicking on this. So let me, commission rate and all. Okay, no, actually it is not working from my side. So let me click on this and let's see what will happen. Email broadcast tool. I think some Warrior Plus. Okay, Warrior Plus, some Warrior Plus products are opened here. So that this is breakout code. So you can go here directly. You can apply for approval. This is commission rate already. This is price, how much you will earn. Everything is calculated for you here already. Directly it will broadcast for you in your email list, which you captured by using these all things already. Okay. Now this is instant traffic source. Let me see, secret traffic source and all, traffic purchase and ad spend. Let me see, what is this? Visit the traffic funnel. This is traffic funnel, which I already shown you before. So this is directly redirecting on that page again. This is live training I already shown you. This all things I already discussed with you. So I'm just going to log out this. Some things I left, but don't worry, that is not too much difficult. Okay, you can just try it by your own. Okay, my purpose is showing you each and every features so that you can decide this product is going to fit for you or not. So clicking on this, let's see what will come this time. This is traffic funnel. So let's see what type of the traffic I'm going to get for my offers and websites. Register for free account. Okay, clicking, just wait. I think we did this. Email already exists. Let me open my email so that we can actually see what type of the confirmation email they sent. Wait. Sorry guys if I'm wasting your time, but I want to show you each and everything. That is why I'm taking this much time. Okay. I just want to show you what type of email verification they are sending, and after clicking on that, what traffic funnel, what type of traffic funnel you are going to get, so that so that you can understand this is for you or not. Just take it time, take it. Wealth Wizard, and there is nothing like traffic. This is sign up verification of traffic funnel. Okay, so just click on this. This is my demo, and please click this link to verify your account. Clicking on this. Let me see what is coming. Same thing. Okay. Oh, nice. This is a different dashboard again. Nice. Guys, this product is valuable, I think. Okay. This product is valuable. Find seller, add text, find sellers. Nice, guys, nice. Price, for example, okay, any price is okay. Main traffic source, email, okay. So you can see preferred plus seller list. Let me see if there are any training here so that you can learn something, or maybe in that training you will learn. Actually, I closed that, I think. Sorry guys for that, but try to understand. Okay, one dashboard you are going to get in list building, and second dashboard you are going to get here. This is traffic funnel. Two dashboard you are going to get inside the main dashboard, okay, which is in this product, which is auto commission suite. Okay, this is. So now if you want, I can discuss each and every these features. I think this is for actually these are not clickable for me, but it will be clickable for you. Okay, I am an internet marketing specializing in, okay, I think in direct email marketing, 100 visitors, business opportunity, this and this. You can put your own. I think this is for creating something. Now this is find sellers and all. Okay, this is add text, add new swipe, add new link. Too much for playing around this. Okay, orders, I think some orders if you made, so you can see all those here. Money, how much money you made, all these things. Cart, if someone going to check out, but before checkout he did not, so, or maybe, or not only checkouts, cart means some, if someone purchased like that, or not purchase, but they liked to purchase that type of the item or that type of the customer list, you can see here according to me. So that, okay, this is not for that, this is like, this is little bit a different general setting and all, email, password, and this all things, user setup. Okay, not going much deeper because guys, video will be too much long. Okay, you try to understand. Okay, you can understand what I'm trying to say. Buyer term and condition, I think this is page for you. See, disclaimer page you can make for you, privacy policy, each and everything. Okay, so that no, not any type of the copyright issue and all you will get just because of this page. Okay, so this terms, okay, this is buyer training, funnel TV, buyer training, buyer protection policy. Nice guys, too much nice. Buyer training link. Okay, this is again redirecting to somewhere else. Mac Caliph system, you can see here. Nice. The traffic funnel free. You have to just put your email ID or sign up for free. Okay, guys, I'm not going to do that. Okay, because video will be too much lengthy and this product is too much deep. and deeper. Okay, so each and everything is going to difficult to explain and all. So this, let me see, TTF YouTube channel, I think they are telling you to subscribe them. So let me see what it is actually. Yes, it is exactly that. So this is not too much seriously things, or you can go ahead with this. You can see by your own message from management and all these things. Okay, guys, so you have to understand by your own. Okay, this is complete traffic funnel. Each and everything, if you do by using this all features, so you will get in, actually you will start getting some traffic on your page, offers, website, and all that just because of this. Okay, and later you can go ahead. So I'm going back again. Two dashboard you are going to get in single dashboard of this product, which is auto commission. You can see here, this is the product. Okay, so if you want to go ahead with this, link is below, you can go ahead. Okay, now I already did this. Back again, I want to go back again. Okay, guys, so I'm done from my side. This is dashboard of auto commission suite. This will be registered for listing app. This is different dashboard, and this will be different dashboard, which I already shown you here. This is, and for this, which is list building, I already shown you. So now this is decision for you. Decision is for you. Okay, I'm not telling you to go ahead with this, but this is too much powerful and deeper product. Okay, you already know, I already shown you each and everything. So later we will discuss with later I will come with new wonderful usable product so that you can decide for you. Okay, so this time, bye.